As we start using more and more Google products, one of the perceived complications is that they're only available if you have an internet connection. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Google creations available offline in case you run into a situation where you don't have internet. I'm going to start by opening one of my Google files. I'm going to open up a presentation I made. I can go over to the File menu and drop down to Download As. And you can see I get a number of options. I can download it as a PowerPoint, as a PDF. These are all just ways I can get this file that typically lives in the cloud down to my device in case I find myself without internet, just like creating a backup. Now I could tell you I could download it as a PowerPoint, and what happens is it'll download it to the device directly. Not everything transfers beautifully. Sometimes you end up with a little bit of formatting issues, especially if you used a Google font that doesn't straight cross over to the PowerPoint fonts available. You can do the same thing on an iPad. If you have your Google content and you usually present from your iPad and you want to make it available offline, it works very similarly. Let me show you. On my iPad, I can open up my drive and go to a file I want to load. I'll load that same file here. In the upper right-hand corner, I see the three little dots. If I click on that, I get a menu. One of the menu items I have available there says Keep Offline. I'm going to go ahead and toggle that on, and it will download a copy of that file to make available on the device in case I find myself without internet. You can do this with a number of different kinds of Google creations. You can do it with your docs, you can do it with your spreadsheets. Now, I recommend that you try to keep it in Drive for the most part and keep it online because you want to make sure that you always have the most current version. But if you know you have an important event come up and you need to have that available, even if for some reason the internet goes down, remember, make a copy to have available offline and you should be covered.